Hey you guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So I know that I'm all glammed up right now and this video is not going to be a tutorial on this look. If you want to see how I got this look, go to my Instagram page because I went ahead and already posted how I did this look. This video is going to be a get unready with me, so I'm going to take off my makeup, show you a little bit of skincare that I love, and kind of just chit chat with you guys about my holiday and what 2019 should really look like for me and what 2019 is going to look like for you guys. So I really want you guys to start commenting on my videos so that we can have some real conversation, because I want this channel to not only be makeup related as well, but really just talking to you guys and just being super open with you guys. So yeah, let's kind of get started on the get unready with me. So first I'm going to just kind of pull up my hair back. The first thing I'm going to use is, this is from Garnier. This is the Skin Active. It's basically like their cleansing water. There's all different kinds. One that's for waterproof makeup. This one specifically just removes and cleans all makeup. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this and I'm going to take the Neutrogena Makeup Remover Cleansing Towelettes. You guys already know how I feel about these babies. I use them all the time. These are my favorite makeup remover wipes, hands down. There's nothing that I've come across that is better than this. So I'm gonna take a little bit of the water and kind of just drench my towel from here, and then we're gonna go ahead and just start taking off our makeup. So let's get started. The holiday, oh my god, the holiday was so good to me. It was really, really good to me. The only downfall, and a lot of people experience this, is that you gain weight during holiday season. I've literally put on, I'm always like 115 pounds. I recently weighed myself and I am 123, so I put on about 8 pounds over the holiday season. I can definitely feel it in my body. I feel it in my arms. But really cool is on Monday, I'm actually going to go to the gym. I know that sounds like so cliche because that's like everyone's New Year resolution, I'm gonna get to the gym, but I actually have been to the gym many times before. I used to go to the gym a lot and I kind of just fell off, especially during the holiday season. And when you get into a relationship, you do fall off on how you take care of yourself. So ladies, I'm like, me and my man are gonna start going to the gym and we're really gonna get our bodies back together. It is important that when you're in a relationship, there comes a point where you get super comfortable, and it doesn't matter if you gain weight, it doesn't matter if you lost weight, the comfort is there. But still, you need to look right for yourself. You need to feel good about yourself. If you feel good about yourself the way that you are, perfect. But if you're not, don't lose yourself, ladies. So get your ass to the gym if you need to, okay? It's not even about how you look. It's about your health overall. So I am going to start taking care of my health. I mean, I'm not gonna sit here and say that I'm not gonna eat junk food all the time, because most likely I still will be having wings every Wednesday, but I'm definitely going to make healthier choices for myself, and I'm going to hit the gym starting as of Monday, which I'm really excited because I'm going on vacation in February, and I gotta lose these 10 pounds that I've gained over the holidays. So that is the goal. Look at how good these wipes are. And I'm really excited to drop these 10 pounds too. Not even that, I just want to get more toned up. I love my legs and I love my butt, but for some reason, when I eat a lot, all of my weight goes straight to my butt, straight to my thighs, and straight to my stomach. We're gonna tone that up, girl. The goal is the end of January. I should be where I wanna be. 3 weeks right before my makeup seminar to kind of get myself together, a little bit more toned up. And I've done it. I've literally lost 10 pounds in a month before. Right around when I was going to Cancun, I lost all this crazy weight. So I know I can do it. It's just when I put my mind to it, it can happen. I don't really have a New Year's resolution for 2019. I mean, to be honest, I really don't believe in New Year's resolutions. I've 1 year or 2 years I may have made a resolution, but I never stuck to it. So I never did it again. I never made a resolution again because you just don't ever stick to it. It's hard to stick to a 365-day dedication. Someone told me that my New Year's resolution for 2019 should be to not get Starbucks anymore. I don't know who in their right mind DM'd me that and told me that that should be my resolution, but girl, that is not happening. Since I'm in my studio and I'm not at home, I don't have like my favorite skincare products that I use, so I'm just gonna use like what I have that's here, because right after I'm done with this, I have to go pick up my boyfriend from work. I think he's having his like guys over, and you know, they're probably just gonna play like video games and stuff like that. Me and my boyfriend, that's literally all we do. Like, we're not about like going out anymore, going clubbing. Like, that's just not our scene. Like, we'd literally rather go hit up a brewery, have some flights, you know, have some beers, go home, watch a movie, and just chill. The comfort of our house is everything. Like, that's literally what we do all the time. We're just always home. We gotta start getting out more. So normally after I take off my makeup with the wipe, I normally go and wash my face with my Drunk Elephant cleanser. However, I'm not home, so I can't wash my face. But what I can do is spritz my skin with my Believe Aqua Bomb mist. And this also has like a toner in it too, which is really great for your skin. So now I'm going to be taking the Believe Aqua Bomb mist. I've spoken about this so many times to you guys. This is a product that I literally use every single day. And I actually don't like spritz it on my face. I like to put it in the palm of my hands and rub it like that, and just pat it on. And the reason why I like to pat it onto my face is because I like to press it into my skin. I don't know what this year is gonna bring for me. I don't know what's gonna happen. I'm not planning anything. I'm just gonna let 2019 just roll up on me and surprise me out of nowhere. Next, I'm gonna be taking the Purely's Watermelon Energizing Aqua Bomb. We're gonna press this, we're gonna rub it till it gets warm. You know where all this weight came from too that I gained? I already know. It came from all the coquito that I drank. You guys, I made like so much coquito. And coquito, like, it's not healthy. It's not a healthy drink, you know? It's literally cream of coconut, condensed milk. Like, there's a lot. That's like a glass of fat, but it's coquito. But pretty much this is kind of just like how I take off my makeup. I just wanted to come on here and just chit chat with you guys and talk to you guys and tell you guys how my holiday went, which it was amazing. I got me some red bottoms and a YSL bag. Something told me that he was gonna get them for me, but I was right. I thought he was gonna get me the Mark V camera. I had the strongest feeling that he actually really did get me this camera, and I was completely wrong. I'd rather have my red bottom. Let me know what looks you guys want to see in 2019. Let me know what you guys want from me. Do you want me to do more vlogging? Do you want to come more inside of my life? What makeup tutorials? What kind of makeup? You want more skincare? You want hair care? What do you want? And you guys let me know. Leave some comments below, and thank you guys for chit-chatting with me and just chilling with me overall. I'll see you guys later. Bye.